What's up, YouTube? As you can see, we're back here to work on the stolen GSR that's now on 5 lugs. Doesn't run, doesn't have an engine, doesn't have a rat support, doesn't have interior, but it's all about to change because right here behind me we have by far the most beat set of front seats you've probably ever seen. Probably not, but they're pretty beat. From this angle, they look pretty decent, right? But from reality, it's they're beat. Anyways, rib there, rib there, rib there, little rib there, and that's just a dent from this being upside down on there. However, these puppies is mint. Again, little dents and stuff from, you know, just storage, but oh, look at that thing. Whoa. But pretty good. In today's video, we're just gonna spend some time trying to button this thing up. We're gonna put the interior on, and then we're gonna see what else we could do. The rat support, we're still holding off on because, as you can see, they cut this thing pretty far back. And although we have the parts for it, it's gonna take some time, and we're returning videos day after day right now, and it's just not feasible. So that's definitely gonna happen next month when we slow down a bit. But for right now, we're just gonna do what we can. Nice, quick, easy videos. Let's see what's inside this thing. Oh boy, I don't know. The key for this thing's at my house, so hopefully this door's open. Nice. There's a lot of junk in here. What the heck? Got a vacuum, a tarp, some interior panels, some foam pieces, 2 windshield washer fluids reservoirs. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in here. So let's quickly open the trunk, open the door, and just take all this stuff out of here. I'm pretty sure all this, half of this belongs to this car, the other half belongs to Brother Curtis. Things couldn't get any worse for this car. These seats are specifically out of a 2001 Acura Integra Gsr. So that means that these anchors that go into the actual body of the car are further out. On a pre-98 car, so 94 to 97, they're just about here. They're inside about 4 inches. So that being said, the seat won't go into the car. So the seat won't go in. But we have to take all this apart to do some wiring later anyways, and put a carpet in if we decide to go with the carpet. So for now, we're just gonna place them in and worry about the logistics of it all later. check this out. Ooh, got a full interior in this bad boy. No carpet, of course. No center console. I do have it, but it's just dirty and stuff. And, you know, we're gonna need a new dashboard. They broke everything. Let me know in the comments if you guys want a full in-depth video of all the damage they did to the car, because there's quite a lot. There's body damage. Obviously there's body damage, but there's also like dents. There's harnesses that were cut. There's stuff missing that shouldn't be missing. So let us know for sure in the comments if you want to see more about this car. Interior looks good. The one thing that doesn't sit right with me right now is, I mean, I kind of like it without a trunk, without a spoiler. This used to have a taller Type R style spoiler. It was out of carbon fiber, but right now I don't have one of those in stock. But I don't know. I think I have a stock GSR one. We could put in this. Here's the spoiler. Genuine Honda. It's upside down for you guys, but I don't know if you can see it, but it says Honda there. This is the stock LS or whatever, the base wing. Comes in all the GSRs, but let's see if it fits. And it's black too. Be better than nothing, you know? There's already holes here. Oh boy. So, turned out, I don't know if you guys can see from over there, but there's only 2 holes here, 2 holes here, but there's 3 bolts here. So this is an extra bolt. I don't know what it's for, but I don't think we need it. I know we don't need it. So let's quickly cut this off. Let's see now. Okay. Close one in nice and snug. And so do these. Oh yeah, we have more than enough room here. Look. I think this thing looks way better. Come over here. Let's take a video from behind. Woo. I think it looks good with the wing. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. But trying to see what else we could do here. I don't know, it looks pretty from the outside. Kind of looks like it just needs a bumper, but I don't have another bumper to put here. Definitely need a carpet. If any of you guys have a 94 to 97 black Integra hatchback carpet, let me know. I need it ASAP. Tri-state area, let me know. If you're the thief that stole this car and you want to sell it back to me, I will buy it. Just don't tell me you're the thief, because then I won't buy it. But looks pretty good, man. I mean, we need a cluster. Still need a cluster. We're gonna need a new climate control there. It broke that little trim on the dash there, but don't really need that. I think, honestly, for just 2 working days on this car, I think this is coming together way faster than I expected. So, I mean, at this point, the only thing that we can do is just fix the front end. So, luckily, we're at the end of the month, and we'll have some free time to do that. So, make sure you turn on notifications, because the next time you see this car, it will be getting a front end. So, make sure you turn on your notification bells, because that's necessary. And with that, I think that's it, guys. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. See you on the next one.